Welcome back to our 11 Labs workshop lesson 17. The Projects tab has several functions, but one of the most important functions that you can use with the Projects tab is to create an audiobook from your manuscript. What you will notice about the speech synthesis screen is that you have a maximum of 5,000 characters. If you were to put your entire text in this area, you would run up against a limit of 11 labs. If you paste the text in 11 labs informs you that you've reached the limit, and that if you want to generate audio for longer text, the site recommends you use the Projects tab instead. So in this case, we're going to go over to the Projects tab and we're going to select the Create a New Project. You can create a new project from a document which already in existence. You can create one from a URL, or you can start with an empty project. If you have an existing PDF, you can upload a document here. So if we select this button and click Next, we can give our project a name. You'll need to choose a default built-in AI voice. And in this case, we're going to choose the recommended built-in AI voice model. What you're going to notice here is that you can request additional quality. Standard quality does go with the middle tier plan. If you want to increase that quality, you can, and you can do that by going to high quality or ultra high quality. One of the things that you'll notice about using either one of those higher quality options is that your AI voice generation cost increases. This means every time that you generate voice narration in either the high or ultra high plan, you're going to use more characters each time that you generate audio. This is an important point for you to know about the Projects tab inside of 11 Labs. In the next lesson, we will explore the project settings in more detail. Thanks for watching. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.